purchased this BMW, and I was really happy to find out that the previous owner had a clear bra, because when I buy a car, that's typically my thing I like to get. But most cars I buy are used. Because of depreciation, I just prefer that way because I change cars so fast. I'm usually in and out of them. So this car had 44,000 miles on it. So far, I've put another 1,000 miles on it in just the 2 weeks I've had it. But the clear bra helped very well of keeping the rocks, keeping the rock chips away from the bumper and just overall protection. And one thing I like to do is do the headlights. So in ISF, I did the headlights on this car myself with Lamin-X, and it looks like he had it previous done on this car, either Lamin-X or whoever did the clear bra install. This does a wonderful job with not only keeping the headlights, especially if you're driving the highway. These lights, even though they may not crack or get damaged from rocks, they do get little pebbles, little specks, almost like peppers to car, the headlights. And you won't notice it until you turn the headlights on, and you'll notice there's just all these little specks on the lens, and they won't come off. So I'm glad they did that. However, there was nothing on the fog light. So I ordered a Lamin-X kit. Very simple install. All it is, you choose your color. I went with clear, obviously. I didn't want to do any special colors. This is an LED fog light, so it is going to have a little bit of a blue color from the factory. So I'm just mainly going for the protection. So I'm just going to apply the film, very similar to like you put a screen protector on your phone. So I'm going to get that done here right now. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try a dry install. If it was a bigger light, obviously I would spray some solution on this light, and usually it's provided by Lamin-X. They give you a little bottle, and you just mix a little amount of soap detergent, like baby shampoo or something in it, and you can apply over the lens, and you can reposition and you take a little smoothing card. But a lens this small shouldn't need any water to apply. It should be a fairly straightforward process. So I'm just going to clean the lens to double check that it's clean. Clean the lens. Now I'm just going to peel off the face of this, or the backing on this one. And I'm going to use these tabs to hold this in place while I apply it. So make sure, and the good thing about Lamin-X, you can take it off, put it back, reposition multiple times. But I want to make sure that I get it exact with very little excess. So, and this is a curved lens, so it's going to take a little bit. And I have a little card here. You can use any little card for this. For this one, I'm using this one because there was one time where I tried to tint windows myself and it didn't work out very well, so I still have all the tools. And all I'm doing is kind of pushing this out to the edge. Careful not to crease it, because if you crease the wrinkles, then I'll just take a small blade, and I'm just going to cut off this edge. Careful, don't cut your paint. stuck to, there we go. Okay, wrinkles keep coming back up. So I'm gonna heat it. Don't laugh at my tool. I bought this because I needed something last minute. It was something I bought several years ago, and it's held over, it's served its purpose for a long time, but just a basic embossing tool is what I use instead of a heat gun, but it gets pretty hot. And that's the Lamin-X. So serves the purpose. I tucked these corners in here that stick out a little bit behind the film. You can't really tell that anything's on there. There's a couple bubbles, but they'll disappear over time. Recommend it, especially for headlights, and especially if you live in a hot climate, especially here in California, if your car is outside and exposed to a lot of sun, because there's a clear coat over these from the factory, and the sun can damage it, which can leave this yellowish film over your lights, and you can't really wash it off. And I know that there's some things people put on toothpaste and things like that, but the stuff unfortunately lasts is temporary because it just fills in the scratches, but a couple car washes, it goes away. Imagine maybe if you can try, if you think you like that method, I'm sure that you could get the film like Lamin-X, do whatever trick you want to repair the lens, and this way it will seal it and make sure it stays that way. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. See you next one.